Okay, we are back with a weekly bias of the stuff I trade, bro. We had a horrible week last week, but hey, it's all good. We still haven't passed the funded account. We're still good though. We're still good. We're still good. I have been lowering my risk for this week. I am going to be risking 2% to 1% on trades because I'm going back to trading GJ, GU, and UJ, and then the S&P, bro. I should have stuck with this because I was always good at trading GJ for sure, for sure. Like when I hop on GJ charts, I'm already knowing like right here, I had this fair value gap pointed out. I was like, if we trade back into the fair value gap right here, then I know we're gonna continue higher. Even probably taking out this high, which is it's Sunday right now, so I don't trade on Sunday. So I don't know who trades on Sundays, but honestly, this could have been a setup I would have took if this was like a regular day. Hold up, somebody's calling. Okay, bro. Not gonna lie, kind of forgot where I was at. Shorty called me talking about some stuff. All right, all right. Like I was saying, bro, I might go back to trading GJ honestly because no, I'm going back to trading GJ, bro. This is unnecessary, bro. Like I had a losing streak for like 2 weeks because I started switching on my trading plan and shit like that. I should have just stuck to it, and that's what caused me most of the success. So what I like to do is trade with the trend and then trade with higher time frame order block slash fair value gap slash imbalances. Anything like of that sort, I'm trading it, and that's all she wrote, honestly. Okay, so before Sunday even happened, I had this 4 hour. Let me see real quick. I had this 4 hour fair value gap. I'm like, bruh, if this 4 hour fair value gap get traded to, we're definitely moving higher, taking out this swing high, honestly, which is right there. And also, what I like to do, I like to use PD Ray. So the monthly, I go into the monthly, if it's a fair gap or order block, I go to the 4 hour. The weekly, I go to the 1 hour, and then daily, I go to the 15 minute. 4 hour, I go into the 5 minute. So you have a 4 hours of PD Ray right here. Go to the 5 minute. And I was like, if I see this setup happen on Tuesday, I didn't think it was gonna happen on Sunday, but hey, Lord and behold, it happened. So there we go. Trader right there into it. We got another 5 minute ST. Basically, a ST is a fair value gap in, and then a fair value gap out. So basically, we had it right here. Fair value gap in, fair value gap out, right there. And off of that, just going to 1 minute. This would have been the setup I would have taken if this would have happened on a Tuesday morning. Honestly, nah, bro, my computer mad bugging right now. So we got a long position right there. Off that high stop is below that. Normally I put it below a low or fair value gap. Just in case I put it below my fair value gap. Or if I want to like if it's like a if I know if I'm confident in my setup and everything like that, I'll basically I'll basically probably use 2 to 3% on the trade if I'm confident in it. And most of the trades I am. So I might have my stop at a tight stop right there and going for a 1 to 1, which is right there. 1 to 1 right there. Then after that, I would move my stop below the next use for you got. Or I would have brought this up actually. I would have wrote this trade all the way up to a 2 to 2. 2 to 1, which got hit honestly. So overall, that was going to be a good setup. It would have happened on Tuesday if it would happen on Tuesday or stuff like that. But still haven't hit the target, which is all the way up here. Initially, if I would have got into it, it was going to be like 1 to 8, probably 1 to 8 probably. With a tight stop. But for GJ, I got distracted. But for GJ, what is the weekly analysis for GJ? Pretty bullish, honestly. We just swept those highs right here on the weekly time frame, which if you're very gap can create up below it. So what do I think? I do think we might trade back into the fair value gap, but we haven't got any candle signs, anything yet. I know we've been consolidating for the past few days in this little zone right here. But hopefully we can sting into this weekly fair value gap right here and capitulate up. That's the plans. But for now, I'm just trading off the 4 hour until the daily gives me something or the weekly gives me something. Most likely it's gonna be a 4 hour to the 1 hour, honestly. But that's for GJ, my favorite player to trade, honestly. I'm the best at GJ, honestly. I feel like I am. At my level, I've been trading for only 8 months. The level I am right now, I feel like if I trade with anybody and I go like bar for bar, pip for pip, I'm probably beating them. I don't want to sound cocky or arrogant. Yeah, that sounds pretty cocky and arrogant. But sorry about that. I just feel like I'm the best at it. Now, UJ, seemed like GJ. I was like, if it's going to consolidate or if we sting into this fair value gap right here, which we did on Sunday, bro, at 5 o'clock, bro. But we're pretty bullish on GJ. I mean, UJ, my fault. Because we just came off of a daily fair value gap. I would have liked for that order block to get hit too on this daily, but it didn't. So we traded into a weekly. This is all just old. We do have a weekly. Let me see. We do have a weekly fair value gap right here below that we could trade into, but do I think that's gonna happen in the recent time? It's like, bruh, it's like that much just bing, bong, bong, bong. I don't think that's gonna happen, bro. I don't think it's gonna take out that high like that, bro. That candle. So until we get higher time frame, then I'm still gonna be sticking to my plan of just trading the 4 hour off the 4 hour PD range. We do have a daily fair value gap right here. Two. So honestly, GJ is looking good. I'm pretty bullish. GJ, UJ is looking pretty good. Then we got GU as the last pair, honestly. Let's see. What we working with on? Damn. I was going stupid. Holy smokes. You can tell these are old. I don't even use blue lines no more. A red dotted line? Holy smokes. This is definitely like months old. Don't even use that stuff no more. Okay. Weekly time frame, we got nothing. Still in this consolidation period. Still not giving us a clear case of where price wants to go. Monthly, we do. See now. This is where it becomes tricky, honestly, because we do have a monthly PD rate, bro. We have overlapping. Ew, we have overlapping with because right now we have bullish intent. Honestly, we have bullish intent because if we want to be bearish, right, we had this very gap we could have traded bearish off of. And then plus we had an order block right here we could have traded off of, but we did it. We didn't continue to the downside. So now what is giving me thoughts that we are continuing to the upside. And when I say highly, bro, I highly doubt we'll do something like this, bro. They come into this monthly for rag up and then sweep. We might do that, honestly. We might do that just to sweep that high on a monthly time frame. But am I waiting 5 months for that to happen? No. 7 months? No. I don't. I'm not doing none of that, bro. So we got a 50-50 shot right here. 50-50 is when I flip a coin and be like heads or tails, heads for bullish, tails for bearish, go off that bias, call it a day. No, I'm playing, bro. No, I'm playing. No, but we just go down the time frame, honestly, because we got that monthly fair area up, but it's not trading into it yet. So we go down to the weekly. Nothing on the weekly, right? Got nothing on the weekly. Let's see the daily. Nothing on the daily so far. Well, 4 hour. Now we do have a 4 hour fair value up to the downside right here. So this is the thing. If we want to continue lower, we'll go off that fair value gap. But if I see something, let me see if I can find it. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see if I can find an example of what it would look like. Okay, right here. Yeah, this is a good example. If I see something like this, right, where say for instance, right, this created a fair value gap, and it came into it right here. It came into it, and it just went down, and it never respected that fair value gap. Then I'm not trading it, bro. I'm not trading it. Because then I gotta flip my bias. I'm gonna flip my bias, and then for me, bullish is gonna be bearish. I'm gonna get in on the 4 hour SG on the hourly or the 15 minute, and go for a 1-to-1. But honestly, if we're just being completely straight bias, and it is with the trend, like if the 4 hours content is with the daily and the weekly, then I'm gonna take that trade, and I know it's gonna hit a 2-to-1 to a 1-to-2 or to a 1-to-3. Honestly, and those are the trades I'm gonna risk more with. And then trades like this right here, where it's like disrespecting that for very got the risk lower amount in a more open, tighter stop to come on trade short. But that's about that for those three pairs, because those are the pairs I'm going to be trading for the next few weeks. Honestly, it's going to be I actually want to stick to trading these. It's going to be GJ, UJ, and GU for the next few weeks, and hopefully I pass this funded plus funded trader plus challenge. It's like a 12K account. I think I'm up around like 2% right now. So I forgot how much I need left to pass it, but hopefully after that I should be good to become a funded trader and stuff. Getting kind of late. Or finish this, but I'll hit you guys back up on Tuesday with a trade or a trade setup. All right.